Hi there, I'm Naomi from the UK and the founder of Ergojojo Lamps. My journey with Game On started about 8 years ago when I was looking for a supplier and a sourcing company for my business. And then I came across Game On Group, um, which was incredibly helpful and completely changed the way I run my business. If before them I had to deal with many different suppliers to source different parts and then with different logistic companies, now I have one service provide them all. So starting by manufacturing my product, designing them, sorting out the patent design, graphic designs, and of course shipping them worldwide, which is incredibly helpful. Um, they've been also extremely available around the clock for any question I had, any concern, which that's a priceless thing for a business owner. So yes, I can't recommend enough for working with Game On Group for anyone who's looking for a reliable and extremely professional supplier and logistic company.